It is very critical to develop new products or varieties. Some of these varieties, they were released more than 40 years ago. They were not bred for the current climate scenario we have. We have so many challenges at the moment. Look at the rains, they are very unreliable. Look at the climatic patterns, they have really changed. So those varieties were bred for the climate that is not the current climate. And those varieties that the farmers have been growing cannot be resistant or cannot withstand the diseases that we have at the moment.
How can we effectively carry out direct seeded rice production in the country and reduce on the labor and cost of production that is associated with transplanting as we try to move towards climate change and climate resilience varieties? We want to actually move in tandem with conservation of our environment through reduction of the water that we are using in our farming system.
Crops to End Hunger has been very instrumental in upgrading the DSR facility at 3 locations. One is at the Erie headquarters, which is Los Banos in Philippines. Second one is this location, which is Calro Moya. And third location is in India, which is which is inside the Ecrisat campus. Now, through this support, through crops to End Hunger, we have been able to kind of transform these 3 sites in a way that this becomes the model site for demonstrating DSR, which is direct seeded rice, as a full technology package. We also have been supporting many national partners under this initiative to really identify the gaps. And together with Crops to End Hunger, with their support, we also try to fulfill those gaps.
Something we are very proud of is one of a variety that we released here in the country called Komboka, which means to liberate, kukomboa in Kiswahili, to liberate. And this variety has really come as a game changer in the country.
The advantage to the dissemination of Komboka to the farmers has been specifically on yield, because farmers have been able to achieve almost double the yields that they have been achieving previously with earlier released varieties in the country.
While Pishori is yielding about 2 tons or maybe 2.5 tons per hectare, this new variety which is called Komboka, so that is yielding significantly higher, about like 6.5 tons to 7 tons per hectare.
In addition, this variety matures 2 weeks than the variety that the farmers grow. So they can be able to save on water, they can be able to save on labor, and also means that lowers the cost of production. In addition, this variety has moderate resistance to some major diseases like blast and bacterial leaf blight.